Assalamualaikum student. Today we are going to perform chemistry practical. The aim of this practical is to determine the functional group of given organic compound. Let's start the experiment. In this experiment we require test tube stand, dropper, measuring cylinder. Let's move for the procedure. In this experiment, we will going to perform as such following tests. The first test we are going to perform is carboxylic group test. In this, take dry test tube and add unknown sample with the help of dropper. Then add 10% HNO3 solution like this. We clearly observe that the effervescence of carbon dioxide, it indicates that in this unknown sample the carboxylic group is present. Let's move for the second test. This is test for aldehyde group. In this experiment, we required as such chemical like Schiff reagent, Tollin reagent and given unknown substance. Let's move for the test. In this test, we take one dry test tube, then add unknown sample like this. In this unknown sample, we add 2 to 3 ml of Schiff reagent with the help of measuring cylinder. We clear and shake it well like this. We clearly observe that the pink coloration is formed. It indicates that in this unknown sample, the aldehyde group is present. So, we are going to perform for CT test. It means that confirm test. In this test, take one dry test tube, add again same unknown sample, in this unknown sample we add Tollin reagent with the help of dropper. So after adding Tollin reagent, in this test tube we take first unknown sample, then add Tollin reagent. After adding this, we heat this solution for a few seconds. So we clearly observe that after heating, the silver mirror image is formed in a test tube. It indicates that in this unknown sample, the aldehydic group is present. Let's move for the next test, the test for phenolic group. In this, we have to require one dry test tube. In it, we have to add given unknown sample, pour into this test tube with the help of dropper like this. In this unknown sample, we have few drops of water like this. Then we have to pour into given unknown sample. This is FeCl3 solution. Add with dropper. Shake it well. Observe that violet color is formed. It indicates that in this unknown sample, phenolic group is present. So move for the next test of alcoholic group. In this test, we required sodium metal and unknown sample. Let's start the procedure. First, we have to take dry test tube and add unknown sample. Pour into the test tube like this. Then we will add sodium metals, piece of sodium metal. This is a piece of sodium metal. You have to pour into the unknown substance. We observe that effervescence of hydrogen gas, it indicates that the given unknown substance alcoholic group is present.